Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 FE and I'm going to tell you how to fix the overheating problem in your phone. So at first I do recommend to close the background applications to reduce load. So do this like we to see the background applications. And here, as I can see, we have plenty of the applications. To close them all, tap close all. It's that easy. This should kill processes, heavy processes in the background and put unused apps to sleep. So, now to put unused apps to sleep, we have to enter settings, scroll down to the battery, and check the applications that use your battery the most. Here, if your phone does overheat, it will be it won't be definitely One UI Home or System UI or Google Play services. It should be something else. So tap on this application, and here you should see every single information about that. So just examine it, and if something is really wrong with that, go back, scroll down to the applications, and find this exact application in the list. For me, for example, it will be Instagram. Tap here on the mashup you haven't used, select that, and apart from that, here, if you scroll a little bit down too, you can tap battery. Tap restricted. This should help you. Of course, you'll have the notifications delayed and your application won't work that good, but it should fix your problem. Do this with every single application that has the highest load on the battery. Apart from that, you can reduce the screen brightness, so scroll from the top to the bottom, here, from the top right corner to the bottom, and reduce the screen brightness, so that you can see something, but it won't be uncomfortable, but it has to be as low as possible. And apart from that, you can go into settings, scroll down to the display. At the moment I need to increase this more and this brightness so that you can see something on the screen. Here, now, here you have motion smoothness. Tap that and select standard for the best battery and for the best cooling system. Of course, if you want this 120 Hz, select that. I will select this for comfortableness and video purposes. Apart from that, tap on the screen mode, tap natural for the colors in more natural, tap eye comfort shield, and you can enable that. Actually, it should fix the, well, maybe a little, but it should fix the overheating issues. And that's for the display. Use less vivid wallpapers. As I can say, to have it here with vivid wallpaper, so you can change it to more tained display wallpaper. It should fix your issue. Apart from that, scroll down again to the control panel, prolong it. Wait a moment, this is not the control panel. Here, prolong it so that you can see something. And now, as I can see, if you use Bluetooth, disable it, make it gray. If you are using, if you're not using the location services, tap that to disable and close. As I can see, I do have torch enabled. I don't know why. Disable that. Here, as I can see, we do have Wi-Fi, disable Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth. As I can see, we have NFC working in the background. So tap this pen icon, tap edit over here, and search for the NFC in the available balance. It's over here. We can tap that to add, tap down, prolong it back again, and disable the NFC. As I said, this should work for us, for you actually, to turn off the unnecessary services, to disable, to actually get rid of the overheating in your phone. And now, this is this for the services. We can move on to the battery. Go to settings, scroll down to the battery over here, and now here we do have the power saving. As you can see, enable that. This, as you can see, edits all the settings in our phone, So tap on the power saving, and here we do have a few things about our phone. Power saving turns off always on display, decreases brightness by 10%, set motion softness to standard, turns on dark mode, sets the screen timer to 30 seconds. You can manage it, but I don't recommend to change anything. Here we have this key option to limit CPU speed to 70%, and this should fix your overheating problems actually, because this white thing, so on the, for example, very direct sunlight on your phone can cause overheating issues, and dark shouldn't actually. So yes, that's how it works. For the video purposes, I will leave power saving disabled. Here, apart from that, we have battery protection. Enable that, and here enable the adaptive protection too. This should reduce the battery aging and reduce the battery overheating problems. And as for the battery, you can now go to the charging settings and disable the fast wireless charging and fast charging. Of course, it's useful, but it may cause overheating during the charging. So disable these two options. Here, as I can see, we have auto dim screen. Enable that. And as for this should help you. Apart from that, you can go back to the power saving, tap these three dots, tap adaptive power saving, and enable that. This turns on and off automatically the adaptive power saving. As I can see, I can't turn it on now, but you should. As I can see, we do have wave limit as and home screen turned on. You can have to disable that, and then you can enable the adaptive power saving. But I do really recommend this option to be turned on. It's because it will automatically turn on and off our power saving, which is here, and it will reduce the overheating problems. Apart from that, we can check if we use any accessories on our phone. So if you use any case or anything like that on your phone that may be very tough, turn it off for a moment. Let this phone be cool. If you're using some, for example, our wireless charging accessories, for example, the power banks or something like that, take them off. Don't use them a lot to reduce the overheating. And that should be it for the cases, for the accessories. Apart from that, you can use the certified original chargers and cables. Don't use the phone for heavy tasks while charging. And as I said, avoid fast charging. Overheating becomes a pattern. Ensure that your clean port over here, is clean. So you can use your flashlight in your phone to flash in here and check if it's clean. If it isn't, you can try cleaning it with non-metal thing. Now we can go back to the home screen, and what I do recommend to do now is to actually go back into settings and scrolling down straight to the device care over here. Tap that, tap memory, and now wait a moment. Here we can tap clean now and clean this. Remove applications that you already use, clean up your files like this, and this should help you. Here, if we go back a little bit, if we scroll down, we do have performance profile. Tap that, and to have, as you can see, cooling efficiency, select light. Not standard, just light. And here we do have auto optimization, tap auto restart, and enable reset when needed. This should fix your issue too. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very, very important to us to have your feedback. Apart from that, you can try rebooting your device from time to time and cleaning the junk files from time to time too. And as a last resort, I do recommend to factory reset your phone, but I won't show you this because I don't want to factory reset my phone. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!